If you're like many people, you probably spend a lot of time scrolling through your social media feeds, looking for ways to earn a little extra cash. Well, did you know that you can actually make money by watching YouTube videos? It may sound too good to be true, but it's actually a legitimate way to earn a little extra money in your spare time. In this video, we'll be exploring the different ways you can make money watching YouTube videos, as well as some tips for maximizing your earnings, which is why you'd want to stay until the end of the video. So, how does it work? There are a few different ways to make money watching YouTube videos, and they all involve using websites or apps that pay you to watch videos. These websites and apps typically offer a variety of content, including movie trailers, product reviews, and news clips. You can choose the types of videos you want to watch, which means you can watch your favorite YouTuber and earn some money, and you'll earn some amount of money for each video you complete. Now, you're probably wondering how much money you can actually make by watching YouTube videos. The truth is, it's not going to make you rich, but it can be a fun and easy way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Plus, you get to watch videos on topics you find interesting. So, how do you get started? Here are a few steps to follow. Research websites and apps that pay you to watch videos. There are a few different options out there, so it's important to do your research and find a reputable platform that offers the types of videos you're interested in. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, and WinTub. Sign up for an account. Most of these websites and apps are free to join, so you won't have to spend any money to get started. Simply create an account and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Click on Watch Videos and then scroll down and click on Get Started. In some of the websites I mentioned, you'll have a variety of content to choose from, so you can select the topics that interest you most. Some websites and apps also offer surveys and other tasks that you can complete for additional earnings. So now you can watch the videos and earn money. As you watch each video, you'll earn a small amount of money. The amount you earn will vary depending on the length and type of video. Some websites and apps also offer bonuses for watching a certain number of videos in a given time period. Cash out your earnings. Once you've reached the minimum payout threshold, you'll be able to request a payout and receive your earnings. Most websites and apps offer a variety of payout options, including PayPal, direct deposit, and gift cards. Now, if you're not satisfied with the amount you're making, then let's talk about some tips for maximizing your earnings. One of the major things you can do is to be consistent. The more videos you watch, the more money you'll earn. So try to make a habit of watching videos on a regular basis. Take advantage of bonuses. Many websites and apps offer bonuses for watching a certain number of videos in each time. So, make sure to take advantage of these opportunities to boost your earnings. Use multiple websites and apps. Don't limit yourself to just one website or app. Sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earning potential. Refer your friends. Some websites and apps offer referral bonuses, which means you can earn a small commission for each friend you refer who signs up and completes tasks. So, spread the word and earn some extra cash. Stay up to date. The world of online paid surveys and tasks is constantly evolving, which is why you need to watch the video I've made on how you can make money on TikTok, which is the video you see on your screen, which will give you more tips making money in your free time.